So this was my first Criterium race in 2019, and it's 58 kilometers long and 12 laps. Now this one took around 2 hours, and yeah, my GoPro ran out of battery like after 7th lap. So hope you enjoy this commentary. As you can see, roads are wet. That's because like first 2-3 minutes of the race was raining, but then it gets better and roads get dry really fast. Now half of first lap we ride behind the car so that we get feeling what kind of course it is. Find your way back home. So here is downhill and tailwind, so we're gonna go really fast every lap here. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. So this part gets really tricky because you got fast downhill and then you got U-turn. So yeah. So race officially started here when car accelerates.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion.
Just before race started, was raining for like 2-3 minutes and then was sunny. This is flat part of the race, and we had pretty strong headwind.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast, all tied up like a captive.
Every lap ends uphill.
Standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
You can see the grade that we are riding. It's like 5-6 grade. Pace was really high first 2 laps. You can see my heart rate. I'm in middle of the group, so yeah, I had some draft.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
So this part is really heavy tailwind, so we are going so fast. Small downhill, and then after the turn it's like steep uphill. Okay, here is a U-turn, and we had some people that fell in this corner. Now it's downhill section until we reach the main road.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights.
You can see first group, like they are all in front, like too far away.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So here I realized that this group is way too slow for me. So yeah, I didn't push much, but
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough,
first group is already like there, like on that corner.
to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
So I move to the left to get the gap, and I use it and break away from this group.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
I checked behind and there was no one, like literally no one. I was alone, so I kept pushing.
You meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own.
So here I used my tailwind and aero position to gain speed and maybe catch another group.
You when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy
And do you see you got me falling in? More time
So here the group caught me and I tried to go easy.
down in the deep of my mind. I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind. How long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind. I crawl for you and you're
So yeah, this is my colleague in yellow.
deep of my mind. Trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
I didn't expect this guy in purple to pass me on the inner side.
How long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
So those two guys were together and I couldn't push. Like literally I didn't have energy.
say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. You like a
So here I increase my power a bit to see who gonna stick with me uphill from my group, like group of 20 guys.
Telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
After I passed the line, I looked around and there was like no one. No one put effort like in holding to my wheel.
So right, so right, so right. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, we go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
So that's the second guy that break away from our group, and he was looking behind him like every now and then.
So right, so right.
As you can see, I'm very bad at downhill lines and corners. this guy in front of me was talking to me like, let's work together, let's catch someone. So he was pushing this part of the race with headwind, and I pushed the other part with tailwind.
We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down. We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit.
So I pushed this section until U-turn, and he pushed downhill and flat.
Turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie.
My colleague was pushing the other group behind me, and after race he said like that no one wanted to push. So he was the only one who was pushing that group. Also, that group was caught by first group, so they didn't finish the race. and that guy in green shirt, he felt in U-turn, like next lap, so we caught him.
Are you ready? I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
We are working pretty good together.
I've been flying from town to town, from
Ivan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. myself my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what's mine, that I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
You're gonna see how smooth we did this corner. Look at this. Like perfect. So yeah, camera died on me and I finished 4th in my group as my first criterium race.